Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 hardtop in the rare color of Aqua Mist. And this one I filmed at a local car show in Southern California. And then I also filmed it earlier at a cruise night in Southern California. And unfortunately, that video didn't come out very good. The lighting was bad because it was getting dark and my camera just wouldn't focus. So it's pretty lousy, but I figured I'd include it in here for anybody that's interested. But this one was a nice one. It, like I said, it was Aqua Mist, and it had the white bench seat interior in it instead of bucket seats with a column shift automatic, of which they made 1,785 hardtop automatics with the turbo hydromatic 400 transmission in 1970. The total Stage 1 production in 1970 is a grand total of 3,097 vehicles. And I'll give you the breakdown. 2,465 were hardtops, 400 were GSX Stage 1s, and 232 were convertible Stage 1s, for a grand total, like I said, of 3,097. And performance, the 455 cubic inch engine was factory rated at 360 horsepower and 510 foot-pounds of torque, which was higher than any of the other cars, actually than any car back then, except for the Cadillac 500 cubic inch engine, I believe, had more torque. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 hardtop in Aqua Mist with pearl white interior, bench seat, column shift, one of 1,785 made with the Stage 1 engine and the Turbo 400 transmission in 1970. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.